Utie oha extra ponkno. Needs FM.
A honorable former member of parliament for Boase Enin, Yaman opportunity at your behest. Say a dear no person worker na yintino. Honorable Enin, Yamaha.
Yeah, Major so.
You, why Yadina ne dinko more a year or comments a year in reaction to the earlier interview, extensive one. Our grante a year, Miami New York, I'm chromatic here. Okay. Now, Casa no mono, and on also soon opportunity say, Yamanen clear bibika crabby. And it's also a request to say, Opesa Obem, Terry, anything comedian, Apesa, Obem Becabio.
But as a pa, we're a quick one. And no, I need that. Yeah, papa, your BBR, the co position 30 years. Ultimately about power. And my power, maybe also, yes, Ubio. As a babio, no, the birthday and Timmy Fakwa was no birthday, papa, birthday, President Kofo, birthday. Yamem, and more who are doing in Yanta and the Costa. At the end, no, and Yantokada. But me no, the ambassador can quick and say, me see, Euro Oblibuine. But Tieni Casarina, the correct to be, no matter Akabi, Atwaso. Tabi, Meno, when two are said, so in Baby Amijina. It is true. Me will Baby Amijina. But me call radio so, and now me go party Mraso, and Kakabibi, da. But what started there? Now me so many other people. Me that is me. And yeah, idea, Papa no me so a deputy general secretary. And I'm losing the general secretary to Ibiaba. And she say Ibiaba. Same man, yes, I know, mano. Now, maybe my casa radio, so now me control town command general secretary say, now, of course, one general secretary, they be on the radio. Maybe I will cast some now, one, and Miss Maba, you are no, and not the man back casa, no, it may need time to be called general secretary or say on freno. Because me too, no, me nimsa, me bumraso, and the American can may, no mom, will be one channel, so on no crown, no ninja, or a inimu. Now, so person boom raso dia, and yeah, baby, or boom raso, one, and anybody else. And look at mammy call radio, no call so Kakasano. Again, what can be said? Yeah, can't pity as someone, any book, my dear, almost for him. They can't cry and or boame, I'm a camasem. Me papa can him for you 2 1 years on NLM tag, and you UPO, NLM. If papa not pay any from the third. I say him a dance country. You two na konyaso, a free papa you cool, and time the papa as I be see a konyaso. Me papa and you die hard than you. Yes, I be a media, me Bamukako, me will be fear. And dancing in a papa and you fear, and I'm not almost training for what.
Honorable in naturally putting it in historical context, no.
Advance, me pacho 1992 I'm joining MPP.
Nyabutre kakrebi. Mukasa yenya yesua bibi free radio. Na mu adanse ya ase a waka say na opapa free hono no. We only need to
and yes of no na ya ohene.
One na ya ohene hono no. We put it in historical context and say eye ochehene. Eye na ninchipa no efra adanse ya ase. Inti that.
Ochehene efra adanse akofom.
I me just say asipa free ayase. Mientio.
Yes, okay. And you know, the years are 92, me. Or you probably boy of age, no, they can say. Me 1992, me card the crime, or baby, I'm the barber channel. Papa, no, Freeman, for general secretary, Simon Cardo.
Aramponsa.
And I'm okay, NUST. No, I didn't boating. Yes, I'm okay, UST. Yen and near 4 more, you know, for by Cochiana, just so to the comments, Yano. May 1994, Uncle Boasugobusa, I was just 24 years. Me na me rente party office. As I rented the meeting, 1994, Opa Musa Joseph Kojobu Ampon. Oh, yet no DC, no Musa, honorable body mensa. You see, sometimes who bro, and now you are Obisu on Ashanti, and on the Juma. You can't feel yourself back on the beer by age, you know, a beer or yes, Mr. Me 1994, I'm high, a party office near Mom.
Tobas na educating and Tobas, na yen TB being free the Oka Rudin Yabutre, Tobas and Kamakum.
1994, May 1993, now me a ward chairman. 93, no, me a ward chairman, 96, and I'm a youth, assistant youth organizer. And then the 97, me be a youth organizer. and I'm very constituency vice chairman, which was 2001. And son of 203, me winning 204, me winning primaries about parliament for 3 terms. Me know more. Yeah, do obedient a better party, no.
Yaman opportunity. Yaman opportunity. Yaman opportunity. Yaman opportunity.
And I'm an auntie. Yaman opportunity. Yaman opportunity. About party, moon penny someone. Make nobody when you're 18 at the castle. Every time a prayer rose, no.
Honorable, any Yaman opportunity. Maybe your comment one.
Make a last one be 2012. Where you can have Uncle Butana. No, some in the 2012, Uncle Butana said, we contribution, the Brano, Kumasano. You see, people think that prime is no, you're you don't contribute to me, we contribute to financially. If I miss Santa, I don't brag. They come and at
I pay opportunity. Nana, lawyer, what can Norma me and son? Say, sa no man me and son. Utie ya, mwa be at this stage the mano.
Oh, do I need to? When I'm talking about sex, any MPP near Kenya, mana ya friend Ghana, a man for any DATN, any Baba my MPP, I MPP. Many Ghana, when in Baba my MPP, I MPP. I will manage our friend Ghana. Let us view. Okay, I'm a papa, no. My kind of papa. You can't have a person. As someone no kind of the government will say, "Seven Kasa." No, my MPP is fresh. Oh, my God, by. I said, "Seven Kasa." No, my MPP is fresh. Mikasa, a man people in Cranche. A man people in Cranche. And all the government say, "Seven Kasa." A man MPP. Eshete. No boy. Rather make us up. And I'm going to say, you're free. One casa quiet. Well, look, mean casa the papa. Or moi. Mean casa no. Or moi. What boy? What boy MPP? Mr. Mamboa. But for him to say, I make casa. Now, shit, the MPP a cheater for there. I am not correct. I must put it to him.
And the honorable or say,
and I still maintain the point, sir. I am going to make history for historians to write that.
You withdraw. Honorable or say, the fact of who suggesting in the earlier interview, you say, or Kasana MPP vote so would you want to withdraw that?
I will never withdraw because I know what I'm talking about. And then Obi-Wan, okay, that's answer some way. What are there? Oh, sir, how can you get that? Yeah, party election. Example, I'm not to begin. I like to begin. President Dr. Koto, I like to begin. Now, a whole deputy general secretary, you are built on capability, competency, again. But how do you want to address the other? I mean, I election ever come. Someone say who is not competent and who is capable and who is not capable and who is not competent. All the about Anna. After election, two people together. About Anna, then people are practicing the bit of Kuaba, a Bufuaba, a young Anna who can the deal Kuaba, come on for Kuaba, a deal group. If you didn't want the camera, the comment now, or it's definitely not this is not the fact, it's not the case. I what can you say? I didn't have the customer votes. They say 1 million votes are about 500,000. It's one of them about 500,000.
Okay, Yamusana will pursue prove one. Nana, would you want any proof? Say, wo Ukasa, Emma, Nana.
I can't enter Luciano. Any new grad and come to in 2020, if MPP had lost, people like Emmy would be jubilating. Man, I'm a catch up. I mean, your party, your number, a carbon quanka, say, as soon as I've been paying a then Quadi and a party in go position. You're number. The Payanquara. NPP co-position 2020. I am saying, sir, people like any, that in the moment it be here. And I move in India. Kababa to clear ferry and they move in India. The one is the affairs of the party. No, your chairman, your suspended, your general secretary, your suspended, your team winning power, no there. And not there. Any no.
Okay, Pacho, my yamma, your friend is saying, ending the opportunity. Now,
and I'm still repeating it. Because I assume okay.
Okay, it miama any opportunity say or proof bimpo say oh nana o kasa emilusu. Thereafter no, there's a potential flag bearer or no so say or person or joining this conversation. Na oh nana so no utimini udin komo kakra. Inti honorable enin.
Wow.
Adia na kyerɛ sɛ
oh papa pay mo no on loose talk no che na me ka me bota ya jani na asante region adanse wo mo wo for granted juma ya de me to ano so mo ni mi say me no me pese na na go for do dia e de na ma me da rule no. Secondly, 2016 election, they can't. You see, no one may have been cow. But Papa Way, or Papa Cancer. 2016, catching some will be feared. And I got your Chedako. And then my Huraka, everybody can get the country. And I'll say to bed. On Bobby Feet. That Nanate, or Pasa dancing, the Shamata. And you, Macapre. Also, who could be up here? I can say one of my daughters, I before the 20 and Papa. I have to go there. Make clear. Which are this is an episode of one hand of what Oluso will be happy.
Yeah, George.
More friend.
George.
Maybe call Yana McCann and Norma. Probably. Of course, I said so. And well, actually, from Kakata said, they say, Mr. Hey, Papa, I thought somebody do so. Moko, you must catch it. I'm full of Mr. Momo. Not when you say, we don't can't celebrate. I tell you there. Who was that? You know, I tell you because he has been for the first department of the one the 2020 there. A man for answer my back. It's not some system for you of your man, but the man in the bed. Men come cross the minute, Nana, a sabre a president came before my board, the president.
Or says be?
No, came me a president man.
And then I say, any
beat, you know, organizer, no.
Anti B.
Yes, I'm not going to come home for dancing in army, yes, man. You know, we are the president. Look to buy me both here. And they go for my money. And
Nuntina Yebusa will say, would you want to use alternative words to say, Ubribwa in a Kasama MPP vote to take?
And I have to say, example, I'm not doing one banner. Now, if we don't cut out the way, now, when you look at here, I tell you, then I said, the document between MPP Plaza and Yamoyano, or Mufis that before no canoe. If you are, I know people will name it out. He doesn't know me.
Okay, Nana, Nano Bri. Nano Bri, listening to any now, near explanation of the Abano, would you want to use alternative words?
No, alternative words, you see, it will be wrong for me back at competence, capability, and marketability, and transfer. Obi opportunity on your competent and you're capable. I've never said that. I've never said that. I've always maintained the point that that's your friend MPP. No. Obey self-pressure flat is competent enough to run virtually every country in Africa. MPP, obey Senipa do so no. If you look at the tradition and the pedigree of the Dankwa Dombo Buzia tradition,
okay.
About Philip Fall. Nana, competent
Okay,
He's
Nana
marketable,
Mayama,
he's capable,
Nana Pacho,
he is
Mayama,
good.
Yama, Nana, Yama Edward Enin Honorable Enko, na Ura Boache Ejakon Torino, and so say, opese, or Acosto, na healthy discussions. Na yena no yehunu ne papam why nti Mr. Enin Honorable Enin beko na Boache Ejakon aba. Aha, Honorable Enin.
Mekono, ye mekane se. Ta asem na babo ya kan. Se ka ya ngbebute no. Maka cho to di mi ye. Ai sa no, ye meet bi no makọ no baka ta ta bra no. Ye ma mi role kese play yo. Na we say no, a new business ma ye party no kofo. Enyi omo ye mu tebe ya mo ojuma. Na do ya jo se se ne be yo. It's so bad.
Abakabre. Kese so no. Onimiye. So no so onimiye a. Ono so wa committee. No ono so baka chance konkanyata. So me kasa na MPP me hwete etitafo. Me so onimiye. Ona ko fa se me nyina bai.
Okay, it's Nana me fancy na Honorable Enin.
Obi boy kasa ni na. Ebi no aka disi araba. Be ka ho asam no. Ebi no asa aka retwa no.
Anyway, who na kofa bayo? Who na kofa asem na bayo? Anya na kofa bayo. Who na kofa bayo?
Honorable Enin, me pacho. Nana, Honorable Enin. Honorable Enin.
Oh, MPP shoot 2020. Nka bebo se. Are yo ni mu Ghana ha.
Nana Mpacho, Honorable Enin, me pacho, enye obribo ahine ma wadwuma say ye. To die, ane ye dapon. Mpacho. Anya hwe na
ona kofa bayo. Una kofa bayo.
Okay. Nana Mpacho.
Abakabre.
But so what can say? Adanse be na wo say Senka MPP Lusu 2020 former member of parliament Enin ka obebusi.
Nim 207.
Nana Empuatwa no 207.
No, anya Empuatwa. Makasetia. So I say Makasetia no. Catch us for the panacho. That means Makasetia. Maybe me atom na. I don't know me uncle. Maybe atom. What the coffee buy? So no Makasa na MPP. That is for the action. Mama young Canasa. Yeah, what is the man there Obiato? Now Makasa look. Opia obeying Sir MPP. Operation General. He's a good material. He's competent. He's marketable. He's a winnable candidate. He's a good material. And then there's an undeniable fact. Opia, do so now, mobile 27. After Opia deserve. And I'm going to make history. And I'm going to More Gala Samba.
Emola Gala Samba. Bibi Asutwa, me no became Mola Gala Samba.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.